Welcome back. So we had mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies across the region as we made our way through the day today. We had enough of a direct flow from the Gulf of Mexico to really get that humidity up once again, which did hinder the temperatures with highs only into the mid-90s for most of us. Here's a look at the tower cam time lapse. Now, you will see a batch of clouds move through late in the afternoon. That's a little bit of a frontal disturbance. Behind that, we flipped around to a drier westerly flow, warmed up a little more, but the humidity went away, so that was pretty good. And as we went back into the evening, that frontal boundary moved into our far eastern counties. So into the 6 and 7 o'clock hour, we actually did rise from 94 to our high around 98 degrees in North Platte, 97 Thedford, Broken Bow, 98 at Valentine, and between 100 and 103 from Ogallala, Lexington, and Imperial. And as we make our way into the evening, even with that westerly wind, we are still pretty mild out there. Temperatures near 80 right now at North Platte, Broken Bow, Thedford, Ogallala, 82 at Valentine, and 84 at Lexington and Imperial. Here's a look at the winds across the region. They have flipped around to that westerly flow, and they're pretty light out there, around 5 to 10 miles per hour. You have to make your way well off to the east of the viewing area before you start to get more of a southerly wind, a little bit of a clashing of the air masses, especially where we're seeing those storms in portions of northeastern Custer County. But everywhere else, it looks like we are mainly dry. That westerly flow is even clearing out the clouds pretty nicely from North Platte, points off to the north and east, maybe a few clouds, some scattered showers near the Imperial and Hayes Center area, but most of us are dry. Now let's take a look at that storm that just popped up. Now we did have a tornado warning about an hour ago. Off to the east of Brewster, there was a tornado on the ground as it made its way through Loup County. And now it's trying to get back into our viewing area, but it has weakened substantially. This tornado warning here in Loup County shouldn't be around much longer. Now it's moving into portions of Custer County as a severe thunderstorm warning with quarter-sized hail, 60-mile-per-hour winds, especially as you make your way from Highway 183, including the Sargent area, and points off to the east. And then it should start to dissipate. Maybe some more scattered showers and storms near the Victoria area, but this is the only portion of the viewing area, our far eastern viewing area, that's actually getting any shower or thunderstorm activity. We have that big high pressure system, big heat dome off to our south, pumping in that really strong southerly wind. And this cold front is going to be on our doorstep, but it's going to have difficulty making its way through. So we're going to stay in the heat as we go through the next couple of days with very isolated storm chances. Temperatures falling about 10 more degrees to lows near 70 as we go through the overnight, mainly clear. And then we'll do it all again tomorrow. Sunshine in the morning, partly cloudy skies later in the day. Temperatures making the upper 90s, and then some scattered showers and storms. Tomorrow evening, there could be a better chance of some storms, especially from North Platte and points off to the east. And then we stay in this weather pattern starting off your Thursday near 70 with highs in the upper 90s. Thursday has less of a chance of some showers and thunderstorms, still a pretty isolated chance as temperatures will remain mild into Thursday evening, still into the mid-80s. There's your warm sector that seems to not be able to go away ahead of this cold front. Every once in a while, some scattered storms will develop, especially just like today, but more high pressures in charge of our forecast as we enter the weekend. We could have a little more of a northerly wind that will cool us down and increase the moisture chances ahead. But we're going to stay pretty hot into the upper 90s the next 3 days. We'll put a 30% chance tomorrow evening of showers and storms, only a 10% with mostly sunny skies Thursday, and 20% storm chance Friday and Saturday, especially in the evening. Saturday's high down to 92, mid to upper 90s with sunshine Sunday and Monday, and then Tuesday partly cloudy with another chance of some showers and storms, not as warm with a high of 95. Tristan?
I like those lows a little bit more on your 7-day, Justin, than I do those highs.
Yeah, the low is, still into the upper 60s to near 70. Really mild overnight periods for this climate.
Thank you, Justin. Right now, more than 45 million people are under heat alerts, with temperatures forecasted to be up to 15 degrees hotter than average. As extreme heat is expected to expand to the Midwest and Northeast, this is dozens of wildfires rage across 10 states in the U.S. And people in the Midwest are dealing with devastating, destructive storms as well. Ivan Rodriguez has the latest on how